Hey, I'm Ollie from Quicksilver Exhausts, and behind me is the world's dirtiest 992 Turbo S. This car comes from our friends at Avon Tuning, and we've just partnered up with Helical Technologies and their latest valve, which now is in this system as standard, which means this car can be installed within a Quicksilver exhaust anywhere in the world without the need for any diagnostic software to calibrate the valves. Now that's a technical advancement. Our friends at Avon Tuning specialise in remapping, performance modifications, even agricultural stuff, and they're our improved installer for the southwest of England. So if you're in Bristol or those areas, give them a shout, they've got you covered. Anyway, on to this example. We've just gone out on a road test to get this thing nice and hot, and you can see the exhaust underneath the bumper there. I'll put a little image up here so you can see what's going on. This exhaust is a titanium silencer with banded and stainless riveted end plates. It has stainless steel pipework, and the benefit of that is that you get the best of both worlds. You get titanium for its lovely resonant quality and lightweight, and you get stainless for its durability and low end punch. The two combined create some really interesting sonic frequencies, and teamed with an X-pipe that this system has, you get a much better mixing from the gases of both banks rather than that sort of out of phase 2 banks of 3 which you hear from factory. So lighter weight, exotic materials, great tone, bolt on, OPF back so it's emissions friendly. What's not to like? Let's start it up and see.